Hi, I'm Oscar with Rescue Plumbing, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit of our plumbing maintenance. So during the process of the home inspection, what we do is we first start at the water heater. And by starting at the water heater, what we end up doing is flushing the water heater, make sure that there's no buildup in the water heater itself that could potentially cause damage and cause it to leak. So the second thing that we do is we check the hydrants or the frost proofs that are located outside of your home. Make sure that they are installed correctly and they're not sticking out the wall to where they don't cause any potential damage to your home when they freeze. So what you want to do is you want to be able to move this faucet further back in, and that's something that we can definitely take care of whenever we do home inspections. So after that, we move into the home and we check your bathrooms. By doing so, we check the sinks to make sure that they're draining correctly and that there's no leaks visible from the handles. Then we move on to the shower. Same thing as we did with the sinks. We make sure that there's no leaking at the handles and that they're working properly. And then finally in the bathroom, we check the toilets. We make sure that the toilet is properly secure, that whenever you flush it, there's no water coming out from underneath, and that it has a good seal. After moving from the bathroom, we check out the kitchen sink. Same thing like the faucets in the bathroom, make sure that it's draining correctly and that the faucet have no visible signs of leaking. Finally, we move to the sewer system. What we do is we run a camera, make sure that there's no issues inside the sewer system. We use an iPad and it gives us real-time picture of your sewer system. By running the camera, we'll get to see the condition of your pipe, see if there's any visible breaks or roots. Sometimes you don't see breaks, but you definitely see roots in your system. If there are issues like that we come across when inspecting your sewer system, we will let you know and give you the options to address those issues. Give us a call today and let us fix the small problems before they become bigger problems.